Hey everyone, I'm Thelma of Seasonal Crafts and Creations. Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you a Dollar Tree Halloween giveaway. Now I did stick a few items in from a different store. That's only because I couldn't find them at the Dollar Tree. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with me showing you everything that's in this Halloween giveaway. Now I will periodically, while the contest is going on, if I see anything else for Halloween that I think would look nice in with the giveaway, I'll add it. And whenever I do a DIY, I'll, in the middle of it somewhere, I'll take a second and stop and I'll show you the new items that I happen to pick up to add to the giveaway. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I wanted to show you these DIY to paint. This is a wood witch's cauldron with the witch's feet sticking up where she fell in her witch's brew. And that's the back of it. And here is Frankenstein. He's on a stick. And this is the back. And I picked up Mrs. Frankenstein for you too. Now all you have to do to get in this contest is, well, of course you have to be a subscriber. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell and select all so you won't miss any of my future uploads. I do DIYs, hauls, vlogs, and sometimes I do get ready with me makeup videos. And then here's it's like in a picture frame, and it's a haunted house. I really like that, the way it's like a Victorian style picture frame. There's the back. And then we have the jack-o'-lantern. Okay, that's it for the ones that you have to paint. Now I have this wall sign. It says, "Home of a spooky witch, one handsome devil, and their ghoulish goblins." And of course, you could always turn it on back and DIY if you want to. And I had one of these left over. I picked this up last year. I haven't seen them this year, so I don't know if they have them anymore or not. But it's just your Boo witch's hat. Now you can use these too to you can dissect it and you can DIY it and make your own witch hat with mesh, ribbon, and anything else that however you like making your hats and wreaths and stuff. And I picked up this pumpkin one. I'm going to scoot these over out of the way. Now this did not come from the Dollar Tree, but I couldn't find any spider web at all. But it's real big and it's green and it has some spiders in it. And then I thought this would be nice. You can leave it as is. If you DIY, you can like paint it, put some blood, and bend this down in the center and put a candle, one of those big long ones, right here, and or bend it down and then glue in one of those LED candles. It would look real nice and sharp. I did that one year with the long skinny candles. And this did not come from the Dollar Tree, but I thought these looked real nice, the spiders. And then we have this pumpkin carving kit. Here's the utilities that you need, and back here on the back is what's all inside the different types of pumpkins that you can carve. And I would open it, but it's taped right here, and I don't want to take a chance of ripping the pages. And then I do have an orange and a purple paint. If I find any green and black, I'll get those and throw into the giveaway too. And some paint brushes, I'll do that too. And now, these I think would be nice to, there's 4 in this one, the white pumpkins, to like paint purple or green or orange, or well, these are the orange ones. You can even paint your jack-o'-lantern eyes, nose, and mouth on them too, or you can leave them as is. And then I picked up one of each of these tube mesh. We have the green, the orange, the black, and the purple. Now these are good if you're, you can use them on garland, wreaths, to wrap around things, make little bows to add to a bow, and make loops in it. And it looks real nice. You can make, you can even do these into a flower arrangement all by themselves. And then, let's see, the last few items are these 3, and I'm going to show you one at a time. I do believe that's it. We have this gnome. It's black, and I like his beard. It's like a blackish gray. And here's the back of him. And now we have this, the orange one. I just think these are so cute. And the last item that's in the giveaway right now, which I will be adding more, is the purple gnome. But once I reach 1,200 subscribers and get around 4,000 hours viewed, I will pick a winner and contact you. But you have to be subscribed and watch my videos. And if you share my video with people you know, and one of them comes over to check out my videos and enter into the contest, have them give me your name, your YouTube name, and you will get an extra entry into the contest for every person that that you send over and enters into the contest. But now, if you have any questions about this, just leave a comment, and I'll get right back. Can't talk. I'll get right back with you as soon as I can. And but I believe that's all you have to do is just watch my videos, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment letting me know that you entered into the contest. Alright, I want to thank you all for stopping by, and have a great day. Until next time.